Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll demonstrate the steps to allow one person to install and remove a car cover from a vehicle, and to perform it in a series of steps that will best protect your vehicle and the car cover. In this example I'm going to use my Chevrolet SSR. Before installing the car cover each time, make sure that the vehicle's body is dry. If it's gone through a rainstorm or recently been washed, make sure the vehicle is dry. If the vehicle is dirty, make sure you use your favorite cleaning utensils such as a California duster or microfiber towels and detailing spray to clean the vehicle before installing the car cover. And make sure you give sufficient time for the exhaust system on the vehicle to cool to the touch so you don't melt the car cover. Once you've unrolled and installed the car cover on your vehicle the first time, you should be able to follow the steps included in this video for removal and installation of the car cover. The vehicle used in this video is a 2004 Chevrolet SSR pickup, and the car cover was obtained from symbol-engineering.com. Check out the description section of this video for more information. When you first get your car cover, it is recommended that you mark the driver's side of the car cover on the inside, and in this example we have marked a D on the cover over the lock reinforcement. Find a tag or similar cover on your car cover and mark it with the D to best identify the driver's side quickly and easily. Before removing the cover, make sure that you've unlatched and removed any securing cables or clips from the cover itself. Pull the car cover out from under the rear bumper fascia and double it over the top of the rear cargo cover, headed forward. Take the car cover all the way to the mirrors, stopping at the back edge of the mirror covers. This keeps the dirty side of the car cover against the dirty side of the car cover. Take the rear edge of the car cover and double it over the top of the truck cab again. This will give you 4 layers of the cover on top of the truck cab. Brush down the cover a bit with your hand to make it lay flat. It may look a little messy, but that's okay at this point. Pull the cover out from under the front of the vehicle and double it over the hood, heading to the rear of the vehicle. Take it all the way over the mirrors and hook it onto the mirror covers. Nothing too fancy, just make sure that it's hooked on the mirror cover so that the cover won't slide off the vehicle. Take the front edge of the now folded over cover and double it over the mirrors again. This will look a little messy, but that's fine at this point. Unhook the mirror pockets of the car cover off of the mirrors on the side of the vehicle. Fold the front half of the car cover onto the rear half of the car cover. This should have the whole cover on top of the roof in an 8-layer folded pile that hangs down on both sides of the vehicle, with the inside of the mirror pockets facing up or out. Now go to the passenger side of the vehicle, put your arm on the cover, flip it up over the roof, and use the folded end to begin to roll the cover into a roll which is approximately 2 foot in length. And once the cover is completely rolled up, you can use that to install into the carrying bag for the car cover. Please notice that after rolling up the cover, we have the D, which identifies the driver's side, and that should be exposed. And then once we have that, we can install the car cover into the carrying bag. This concludes the steps to remove the car cover from your vehicle. The installation steps are pretty much the reverse of the removal, but first off, we're going to make sure we have that D for the driver's side, as I pointed out in the first part of this section, and that will be the section that we hang down over the driver's side there. And we're going to unroll the cover over the roof of the vehicle, and then pull it down onto the passenger side of the vehicle. We're going to then hook the mirror hooks for the car cover onto the mirrors of the vehicle on both sides. Now begin to unroll the front section of the car cover, pulling it down to the windshield over the hood of the vehicle, and then take the cover over the front of the vehicle, hooking it underneath the front bumper fascia of the vehicle. Next step is to unroll the car cover onto the rear cargo cover of the vehicle. Pull out any slack from the front of the cover. Grab the rear of the car cover and pull it to the rear bumper fascia of the vehicle, hooking the car cover underneath the rear bumper fascia. Locate any hooks that are in the car cover and attach them to the appropriate points on the vehicle, and install any car cover locking system that you have available for this car cover. This concludes the installation of this car cover. Thanks for watching.